Spring cleaning time, boys. I'm about to do some sketchy stuff. Got a little better hook on her this time. Gotta go all the way up there. Well, the idea is to take this old car frame, it used to have an engine on it, and get it on this trailer so I can haul her in for scraps, and scrap is up. I got some stuff laying around and, you know, beautify the neighborhood a little bit. Need to plant some grass there, but that's for another day. So I'm going to rig this real sketchy like, and pick it up that, put it on there, and hopefully not damage my fender or tip the hoe over. It's fun doing hoe things. that's how not to load a trailer. If by the off chance you're wondering what this thing is, I bought this for an engine that I got in the shop. Some guy had made this in northern Ohio as like a cordwood saw. Would have had a big saw blade on it. Right there, as you can tell, there's a slot right in there. This table moves back and forth, and the engine powered through some belt pulley system here. The saw blade, it's on I think it's on an old Dodge car frame of some sort. Put a radiator on it, cooling tank, and then like I said, the engine I got inside was a 10 horse Fairbanks Morse Z. I took the engine off of it, and there's a couple other things I want to take off of it, like the pillow blocks and the shafts and whatnot, and those nice little wooden boxes, and taking the thing to scrapyard. So its days are numbered.